Hi, hello. In this video, I will mention this article that I found um, interesting, and the article seems to be published from today. And the article title is Prevalence, Clinical Correlates and Risk Factors Associated with Tardive Dyskinesia in Chinese Patients with Schizophrenia. And seems, according to result, that 36% of patients with schizophrenia had tardive dyskinesia, and those patients with tardive dyskinesia had higher PANSS total, negative subscale and cognitive subscale scores. A significant difference was found between the groups in terms of age, gender. So these are the so some of them are socio-demographic, education, body mass index, smoking, duration of illness, and hospitalization frequency. So it shows that tardive dyskinesia is not simply a movement disorder. A negative association was found between tardive dyskinesia and mean levels of the measured metabolic biomarkers and HDL cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, triglyceride cholesterol, and those other apolipoprotein A1 and apolipoprotein B. So they simply defined tardive dyskinesia, and then they emphasize why this study is important here. And sample size seems to be large, and total of 901, and seems to be cross-sectional design was administered, and in 3 years they have checked the patients. And as usual in the literature, the abnormal involuntary moment scale was used to measure tardive dyskinesia, and the PANSS was used to measure psychopathological symptoms. Blood samples were also collected for routine blood tests, including the levels of triglyceride, cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, apolipoprotein A1 and B. And as I mentioned in the highlights section, overall 36 patients had TD, and we mentioned it. Compared with the non-TD patients, the TD patients had higher symptoms according to the scales and subscales, except the lower depressive subscale score, which is interesting. And binary regression analysis for prediction antipsychotic found that, according to the analysis, found that antipsychotic type, BMI, gender, age, HDL cholesterol, and apolipoprotein B were associated with tardive dyskinesia. And findings indicate that TD is a common movement disorder in patients with chronic schizophrenia, with certain demographic and clinical variables being risk factors for the development of TD. So it seems quite interesting study, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this article, you find this article useful, and wish you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.